Hi there, and welcome back to My 3D Ocean. Well, certainly the Indo-Pacific, and in particular the Philippines, are absolutely incredible underwater environments. It is, in fact, the heart of the Coral Triangle, with amazing biodiversity. One of the more interesting and colorful fish that live in this area are the anemonefish, and there are quite a few species that live in harmony with the anemones. Now, the anemones are toxic to most, but not the anemone fish, who have a symbiotic relationship with them. They swim freely in the anemone and are protected from their prey. Because they are so colorful, I always try to capture them with my camera. On our trip to the Philippines in 2019, I couldn't get enough of them. So I decided to take this photograph and try my hand at drawing the Clark anemone fish. I finished the drawing in December 2020. And now it's time to bring it to My 3D Ocean. After cropping the drawing a bit, I loaded it into Meshi, and I ran a couple of iterations until I got this model that I liked, complete with anemones. From there, I loaded the model into Creality Print and did a bit of scaling until I got the dimensions I like. It is 5 inches long, 1 inch thick, and 3 inches high. This model did require quite a few trees for support, as you can see. Now, I did the Clark anemone fish with orange filament, and it took 3 hours and 5 minutes to complete. I actually had to abort my first one due to a filament problem. Trimming took a while as I needed to work around the anemones. For this project, I decided to print a second anemone fish and took my standard base to display them. Now, I actually used the anemones from that aborted fish to add to the final product. And here they are, the two Clark anemone fish swimming in 3D in different directions. Now, if you're into 3D printing and want to try this model, you can find it on Cults 3D. You can go to My 3D Ocean or search on Clark Anemonefish, Philippines. Well, I hope you enjoyed this visit to My 3D Ocean. Please give us a like, it goes a long way. And if you want to stay up to date on all my ocean adventures, just hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.